Yo, hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to publish an agent to Teams in Copilot Studio. Now, here we have an article by the Microsoft's Copilot Studio support team, and here it explains how we can publish it. So, first of all, by using Copilot Studio, we can now publish agents that engage with our customers on multiple platforms or channels. For example, throughout websites, mobile apps, Microsoft 365 Copilot, and messaging platforms like Teams and Facebook. Each time we update our agents, we can publish it again from within Copilot Studio, and publishing our agent applies to all the channels associated with my agent. You need to publish your agent before your customers can engage with it, and you can publish your agents on multiple platforms or channels. So, here is how we can publish it. It's very simple. Here in the publish section, it explains it in few steps. Publish the latest content. With your agent open for editing, simply select publish button. Select publish and then confirm, and the publishing can take few minutes. Now, to prevent distributing users who are having an existing conversation with the agent, the latest published content only becomes available after a new session starts. In most channels, a session ends after 30 minutes of inactivity. In channels that have persistent conversations such as Microsoft Teams or omni-channel for customer service, you might want to try out the latest published content right away. To do so, after it starts over in the current session, this command resets the conversation and starts a new session with the latest content you published. Otherwise, it might take an hour after you publish the update for the agent for it at least or its latest version to take effect. After this delay, users get the new version in the next time they send the message to your agent. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.